Hello everybody and welcome. On this video, I will explain the instructions for speaking task number 1 in our course English 5, section 7. Initially, it is important to remember that the due date or deadline for the mini speaking project is next Monday, August the 31st before midnight via Sikua. But first, let's talk about the instructions. Part 1. Number 1. Work individually. Number 2. You are going to write down a short transcript of what you want to say on your video. You are going to write down 10 sentences in total. 5 sentences about what do I do to help my brain work better, and 5 sentences about facts about my brain and body. In these sentences, you must use the conditional with the present. When I do this, I can do this, and the conditional with the future. If I do this, I will. In addition to that, you're going to write down affirmative and negative sentences. Here are some examples. I try not to eat too much junk food daily. Yes, this is an example of a negative infinitive. Or, when I do some exercise daily, I feel better. If I study hard for my exam, I will get excellent results. Yes, these are examples of conditionals. Number 3. You need to make 3 PowerPoint slides in total. The PowerPoints should include your sentences, 5 for what do I do, and 5 sentences for facts about my brain. You need to choose which sentences you are going to include. They must have attention-grabbing visuals and the sentences only. You can use these websites to find free images online, pixabay.com or flaticon.com. Part 2. Make sure your PowerPoints have correct sentences in terms of grammar, punctuation, the font's size, etc. According to these video instructions, you are going to videotape yourselves while saying the sentences about what do I do and facts about my brain. You can choose any application. You can choose this application that I'm using here, Screencast-O-Matic or Screencastify or Loom. 6. You mustn't read the script and you need to look spontaneous. In addition, you need to talk with a balanced time. How approximately? Well, the video should be between 2 to 3 minutes long and include the 3 slides in total. Attention, or note, you can start working on the mini project today. However, you will still have all the week to work on it. Make sure you upload your final version of the video before next Monday, August the 31st, midnight in Sikua, in the link that will be in weeks 3 and 4 in our course link Content by Weeks. In the following weeks, we will continue working on the final speaking project for Module 2. But as to now, let's concentrate on this first speaking project.